Hello, I'm John Lim from Navitaire Philippines. Why ITBL? Siguro kasi nandito yung camaraderie sa sports and yung brotherhood na nakikita natin kapag naglalaro tayo ng basketball. I think isa din sa advantage ng ITBL is organized basketball community siya. It promotes yung sportsmanship and focus dun sa mental health and physical development ng bawat players. I think basketball, kasi ito naman talaga yung favorite sport ko since bata pa. And isa rin siguro sa outlet ng daily work ko. At least twice or thrice a day nakakapaglaro ako. Or yun, at least a week. Thank you.